The Kashmir Valley may be paradise on earth, but access and connectivity to this heavenly land remains a challenge. With only one road link between Jammu as well as Kashmir often cut off due to snow as well as rain, the 327-kilometer Jammu, UDHAMPUR, SRINAGAR, BARAMULLA rail link has been the state's long pending hope for better connectivity. Konkan Railways is building one of the most difficult links of this ambitious project. Archana Shukla traveled through the mountainous terrain of J&K to find out how things are shaping up.
The geology of this area is such that constructing a rail line is technically very difficult. So that technical challenge has now been overcome and we are able to do our tunnels.
सड़कों का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, पत्थर आ रहे हैं, स्लाइडिंग हो रही है, बहुत जाम लग रहा है सड़कों का बहुत।
जो सरकार रेल से कनेक्ट करने की बात कर रही है जम्मू को कश्मीर से, काम चल रहा है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल अच्छा, बनारस से गाड़ी चल रही है जी, अच्छा काम हो रहा है फर्स्ट क्लास।
तो आपको लगता है कि वो होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है?
बहुत जरूरी, 99%। टाइम भी काफी कम लगेगा। ऐसे यहाँ से अगर श्रीनगर सोमो में ट्रैवल करना हो तो 6 घंटे 7 घंटे लगते हैं, ऐसे ट्रेन में जाएंगे तो 2-3 घंटे में श्रीनगर
आना जाना हो जाएगा।
And it is here that an engineering marvel is being created.
I am currently standing at the site where the world's highest rail bridge is being constructed by Konkan Railway Corporation Limited. This is a bridge and a very important and a crucial link in the entire rail project that will connect Kashmir to the rest of the country.
At a height of 359 meters, this 1.3-kilometer arch bridge is being designed and built to withstand wind speeds up to 260 kilometers per hour. And considering militancy threats in the region, it can also withstand 40 kilograms of TNT blasts.
We have done 180 meter in 18 months. Okay. That is very challenging work. It is very steep and space is very less. We have put maximum machineries, and next opposite is very challenging in this project because the slope is very steep, 70 degree. Even ordinary person cannot go. For that, to reach that spot is a challenging spot.
The Chenab Bridge is part of the National Rail project joining Jammu to the historic town of Baramulla in Kashmir through a 327-kilometer railway track. And while 2 major stretches have already been commissioned, the link between Katra and Banihal, arguably the most difficult terrain in the world, is still under construction. The region falls in seismic zones 4 and 5 and is considered to be prone to earthquakes, adding to the challenge of the varying geology of the region. Open stretches, however, form only a small part of the project.
About 82% of the 35-kilometer rail link that KRCL is building will be of tunnels like these. And to build these tunnels is a tough task for organizations because these mountains are considered to be young mountains and hence the geology differs every centimeter.
They are unpredictable. We have loose rock fall. We have water ingress inside the tunnels. So we have to go very carefully and cautiously.
For the 35-kilometer stretch being built by Konkan Railways, the biggest construction challenge has been unavailability of approach roads. Konkan Railways had to, in fact, first construct 128 kilometers of feeder roads and bridges like this one to ferry material to the construction site.
Definitely about 40 to 50% this process has increased. See, I cannot carry the entire the load on that bridge. So definitely it is helpful.
So about 50 to you're saying 40 to 50% of time has now been reduced for the tunneling work.
Yes.
The project is vital to improving the commuting experience and the overall economy in these mountainous stretches, where the only highway, NH1, is often blocked due to landslides and snow.
तो बहुत फ़ायदा होगा क्योंकि एक तो गरीब आवाम को किराया बहुत कम होगा उसमें कि आज तो महंगाई बहुत ज़्यादा और किराया पेट्रोल डीजल भी काफ़ी महंगा है, इसलिए जो है किराया कम हो जाएगा।
The project has missed several deadlines owing to technical challenges and concerns raised on the safety and security of the bridge.
We have done all the technical tests for constructing the bridge, and we are now more than 50% through with the project, and we are going full steam ahead. All the challenges are now a thing of the past, and we expect to complete the project sometime in 2018-2019.
The Katra-Banihal link and the Chenab bridge in particular is now being directly monitored by the PMO through CCTV cameras like this one. New Delhi's interest could accelerate completion of this alternative and reliable transportation system to Jammu and Kashmir, and in turn even promote tourism, which is currently a key economy driver of the region. With cameraman Bhaskar Sawant, this is Archana Shukla in Jammu and Kashmir.